I don't know why nobody's talking about this, but smart buyers usually buy in bad market. Yes, you heard that right. When everyone feels confident, demand explodes and prices move fast. But when people feel nervous, opportunities quietly open up. Serious buyers are moving. They're not 12 offers. You can structure, you can negotiate, and you can protect yourself. The buyers who wait for everything to feel amazing usually enter when confidence is already back, and so is the competition. It doesn't feel exciting right now, but that's exactly why it works. So if you want to understand what a smart move looks like in this market, comment I'm ready.